everyone and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm joined today by Colin Locke, the Executive Chair of Krakatoa Resources. Colin, welcome.
Thanks very much. It's great to see you again, Oriel.
Good to see you too. Now, Colin, you've got some good news to share with us today. You're raising $1.6 million to fund your 2026 season at Zopkhito. Tell us more.
Well, yes, we're delighted with this raise, and I'd first of all like to welcome a bunch of new shareholders to the registry and join me as a fellow investor. I've invested over $100,000 of my own hard-earned here, mainly at 5 cents. So welcome, and we'd like to thank our lead manager, Lodge Partners in Melbourne, for their outstanding corporate services. This raise was primarily made up of the top 3 shareholders, which are held at Shores in Perth, and those top 3 shareholders have remained top 3 shareholders for years. So none of that stock's going out, plus a handful of smaller clients from Shores, and they, I can tell you, are long-term holders. The balance was done very professionally by Lodge Partners in Melbourne, and all their stock is going to long-term holders as well. So I'd be very surprised if any of this comes out. We should be up and away from here.
Well, this is very exciting times, Colin. Congratulations on the results so far. Tell us what you're planning on doing with the funds. How are you going to deploy them?
What does Trump say? Drill, baby, drill. So we'll be carrying out drilling as much as we can this season. We've started a lot earlier than last season because last season we repaired the roads and the bridges and the accommodation, etc. So we're straight into it, and I can tell you the drilling's going exceptionally well. It's going spectacularly well. And the other component mainly will be the met testing, because now with JORC you need obviously the met to be tested properly. So we've already done met testing, or has been done, and the beauty about this project, metallurgical wise, let's not forget, is that you can float the antimony off as a concentrate, and the gold goes to the tailings for reprocessing. So the gold and the antimony can be absolutely liberated perfectly, and that's a really unique thing about this, this beautiful world-class project.
It's interesting, isn't it, when you talk about antimony, because it's now on almost every critical minerals list in the world, which I'm sure has changed the amount of attention that you're getting on this project.
Well, I think so. The word's starting to get out. We've got a handful anyway of strategic investors wanting to get in as well. And, I think it's safe to say it's definitely because of the antimony, particularly with the European Union and other countries beefing up their military spend. So, this antimony is not going to go away in a hurry. As we know, you need it in all sorts of military applications. And let's not forget the gold there as well. I mean, we're sitting on 815,000 ounces at 3.6 grams a tonne. And this gold from the Soviets, they didn't care about the gold. All they cared about was the antimony. So this project, this Zopkhito project, absolutely and definitely has the ability to be a multi-million ounce gold play as well.
All right, so Colin, we're going to be watching that very closely. So you've got drilling underway, you're undertaking some met work, you're moving towards JORC. What should investors be watching out for over the next couple of months?
Well, we'll have a plethora of news, we'll have visuals, and we'll keep the market updated continuously. And also, let's not forget that our world-class technical team has also discovered satellite copper and tungsten prospects. So we'll be looking at that as well. And, who knows the extent of them? We don't know yet, but the antimony in gold is surely huge and it's world class. So with any luck, we might get the same there too with the tungsten and the copper. Then we'll have a real monster on our hands.
Well, we're looking forward to hearing more. Colin, thank you so much for taking the time to chat to us today.
Thank you also. It's a great pleasure.